try. They find me out this canoe.
Like a 4-hour. Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
We in New York. It's crazy. Okay, I gotta follow my way to baggage claim. Okay, supermarket.
Restaurants are right
Baggage
here.
claim. Bro, it's pretty full here. Not gonna lie. It's pretty noisy here. I'm calling my man right now. Hey! I got my camera with me. Hey! It was good, actually. It was really good. I'm gonna get to the air train exit there. There. Okay, so I have to take this and take the E train. Like, y'all, this is hard. Like, okay, I see the E train. Yeah, I'm gonna purchase a Metro card. Okay, y'all, I secured my Metro card. I am a local now. Oh, thank you.
Oh my God!
Oh, shit, right here. Right here. What was this? Oh, wow. I hate there's so many freaking escalators. Girl, we are literally in New York, bitch. People keep staring at me. Now I'm already. What the fuck? Stop looking at me. Oh my gosh. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna get smiggity smacked up in here, bitch. Y'all, what the fuck? I'm in New York right now, bitch. This is crazy. Y'all, we're in New York right now, bitch. This is craziness. But y'all, my camera is it's not about to die. The storage just running low, so I'm not gonna put it on my phone. But we here, girl. So if the quality get low, just know I'm on my phone again. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm trying to record, but this shit getting difficult. It's getting hard. My next stop is the R train towards Bay Ridge. Oh no, Manhattan, World Trade Center. Girl, this is kind of difficult. No shit. It's so hard, like, not to board the wrong train. You sure? Hold on, let me get on this. And this last stop. Or let me wait. Oh, okay. Yo, this shit is hard. Okay, update y'all. I made it to my next train, which is the 4 train, and it comes in 8 minutes. The more closer I get to my hotel, the realer it starts to get. That I am really in New York, bitch. Like, yeah. Pushing this lug. So, a little update. At first it said 25 stops. No. I exited Lexington and Ave. This is where we are right now. It was about 6. No, it was about 7 stops. I don't remember. I'm not really paying attention right now because all I'm worried about is getting to this hotel. Y'all, do I look like a... Bro, my mom is like spamming me, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. She's asking how long am I going to Uber? How long my Uber takes here. Girl, my Uber not coming. I'm on a train. No shit. No shit, I'm on a train, girl. Do I look like a tourist? Or thought I said the wrong word. Okay, y'all, I made it to the hotel. Gotta check in, all that. Okay, y'all, I made it to the hotel. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the heck, dude? Girl, I'm like actually in New York, bitch. New York. It's so beautiful out here. Like everything has been a vibe so far. Right now I'm walking to Joe's Pizza, getting a full New York experience walking. I'm about 7 minutes away. I got my first New York pizza. Okay, chat, I am back at the hotel. I'm worn out a little bit. It's like 10 o'clock right now. Baby, I'm not on my camera right now. Camera right here. I just tried 3 new different things right now. Well, 2. I'm gonna try this thing for y'all, and then I'm gonna end the video right here. And y'all just gonna have to tune into the other video, because this is the whole like getting to New York, you know this. Yeah, the next video is actually gonna be the whole New York experience within these 3 days. So yes, they have Sprite tea. I don't know if this is not a thing in my state, Las Vegas, but it's a thing here. So I'm gonna try it. Sure didn't put it away. I was gonna sit down and try Joe's Pizza with y'all, but I was a little too hungry, so I ended up eating it on the way here. I ate it on the way here, but Joe's Pizza was bomb. I give that I get that about a 9 out of 10. It was good, probably because I was hungry. It was good. And then I stopped at Insomnia Cookie. I'm a little big, no shade. Oh, a little white, but. I'll save the rest for later. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, I know the quality changed and stuff, but I'm sorry. I'm not gonna pull out this camera again. Like I got the 14 Pro Max, so okay. Live life to the fullest, because it's only one you. Make it the best. Amen.
Big apple hoe, what?
What's up, y'all? Guess who I got with me? Make some motherfucking noise. Y'all, we finna go get a little bagel or something.
Little chopped cheese.
No. Yeah. I probably should use the bathroom before I left. My stomach hurt.
Oh no, you gonna have to suck it in, baby.
Oh y'all, even like for the hotel, we gotta like tap the thing just to click it. So far it's been real cool. The weather's really nice. The people out here, they just mind their business. Everything, like, it's real tea. I love it out here. Y'all, so we're going to Liberty Bagel right now. Okay, it's this way. Right now it is 11:01. Wait, 11:08. Girl, we on Broadway Street. Like, what the heck? Y'all, like, what the heck? You see Broadway Street? Oh, Bowling Green. Like, this is really New York, bitch. Hi.
Australia. She from Australia, y'all.
So my cousin is meeting us here today. She's in Philly right now, but she drove over here because I'm out here. She gonna show us around and stuff. She said she's like 30 minutes away. So we going to grab some food right now for her. Oh look, they have even like little shops right here, y'all. Oh, I love, they gotta get that souvenir, girl. Oh, look at that little Statue of Liberty. What the heck? They got the charging bull over here.
I'm getting there, dude.
Yes. Hella people right there, y'all.
He got one of them O's.
Where? I don't see him.
Oh shit!
Oh God.
That old ass camera. Oh my gosh.
Look at the type of camera we got. My bad. Look at these little, oh my gosh, this is so cuteness. Y'all, this is so cute. This is super cute. Now who's gonna stop me from taking one?
What if I just take one?
Like,
Then
what you
what?
gonna like?
What you gonna
Who
do?
gonna chase me?
What the fuck you gonna do? Those are the Ironheart, New York.
Oh yes, oh my gosh. Cuteness, cuteness. Bitch, this
Now
is
they got
so...
the Burberry. Bird.
Y'all, what the heck? Oh, it say we right by here. I don't see a Liberty. There you go.
Bitch, we walking right past the bagels, bitch.
Ooh, it's a bit back in here.
Oh, look at the baby.
Oh, y'all, look at the bagel spear. Oh, it's the line style.
Damn.
Yeah, they got. Goodness gracious.
Panini. Hey, Panini.
Not you being.
Hey, what up, hey.
Oh, look at the birthday cake. I'm feeling a strawberry. Yeah, I might get a
Oh, they got
cinnamon.
Oreo.
Oreo.
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna come back home, order something, get our bagels.
Look at that line.
Because I gotta focus. All right, y'all.
She said, take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. She said, take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. I'm a dog. I'm a money. No crib talking come through. It's time to break it in. 32 level pants size because I'm trying to break it in.
Y'all, that man was following us around the whole store because he thought that we were gonna steal.
Bye.
I thought about it, but I shouldn't. We don't need to
We don't need
steal.
to steal.
I got my own bag.
Got my own bag.
What's down there? What's down there? Y'all, like, we really out here, y'all. They even got doormen here. What the heck? Oh, she bad. Her outfit. I love her outfit.
I said, she didn't say nothing. So I took it back.
Look, that's a doorman. What the heck? Like,
Okay, doorman.
thou. Who that man over there? Who that lady over there in the chair?
I'm looking hungry.
I am too. Let's find a place. Hold on, y'all. Y'all gonna have to see us a little bit.
Right. We gotta find.
Okay, we done made our way to another big spot. It's a little crowded over here. Not gonna lie. I hope I don't get copyrighted from this music. Got it. Can I get the cinnamon raisin bagel with strawberry cream cheese? That. Thank you. Oh well. Like, look at all of this. This is crazy. Y'all look at this.
Pussy hot, pussy hot.
Okay, y'all. So there's the bagel right here. Period. Cinnamon raisin. I gotta stand it. I gotta stand it down, y'all. Cinnamon raisin bagel. And it has strawberry cream cheese filling. So we gonna see. Is it good?
She kind of rough. Yeah, mommy's kind of rough, but
It actually has strawberry pieces in it. Oh, okay.
it's nice. It's nice, you know.
Bro, I got hella paper on my bagel. Like, oh. I just tried a raisin. That raisin was burnt to the crisp. Y'all, there's a man like skateboarding here. There's people walking. There's ice cream. Girl, there's a whole bunch for real. Y'all look at this man skateboarding. Yeah, hey.
Hey, what's up, dog?
Damn, I would have got you if she wasn't recording. I'm trying to get this man without getting him for real. Y'all, look at this. Damn. Damn. Yeah, I think he a little nervous because I'm recording. So let me get my black ass out his way.
I don't know.
Oh, Lord. And we just walking.
I have to map it. I don't know what it is.
Y'all, fit check, fit check. This is 105. Get the happiness. What?
We're literally eating. We ate.
We ate it.
We're eating it. We ate it. Wait, we gotta get like a full shot of you. Wait,
Okay.
I just flipped it. Yeah. Come on, queen.
Hands on your knees. Angelina Jolie.
Look at we just real tea.
Do y'all see our numbers?
Yeah.
Y'all didn't even peep. Y'all didn't even peep. Do y'all homework on how we both went to Tilly's and didn't even know? Didn't even know.
Get with it or get lost. Y'all getting lost.
Cause you all the way back here.
Y'all, we've been walking for a little bit. Why me and Ajay ended up in this wait, hold on, it's not focused. Okay, there you go. We ended up in this Halloween store that's like all year round. Like
Literally all year.
Y'all. Cause if anybody know about me, I buy Halloween costumes last minute.
Dang,
We
got
need something like
every
this in
little
Vegas.
piece that you would like need.
Literally everything. Like this stuff ain't even sold in regular stores.
Right, or on Amazon.
They got Dorothy costumes. Oh my gosh.
You can't find a spider fairy on Amazon.
Spider Fairy. Bro, they got.
Oh my God, y'all, I seen Donald Trump. I was real scared at Donald Trump mask. Oh my gosh, girl, I almost ran. Oh, there you go again. Oh my gosh, they just keep popping. Oh my gosh. $59 for Donald Trump. Oh, wait, Billie Jean is playing. Hold on.
Come on. Come on. Mike, what?
Just did that on national
Welcome
Mike, that's you? Jamone.
We're in a Halloween store in New York.
In New York. Michael, you know. Dirty Diana.
Dirty Dime. Hold on.
Bro. Diana got the sharp moves.
Y'all, so we still in the Halloween store about bling bling. Look at how much, oh my gosh, variety of colors. Yes, we love a store that's open to the community. Oh, look at him hitting that. His pose is nasty.
Damn.
Pose real nasty. He look like me. Hold on.
Come on. The kid ain't. That ain't your son? That ain't your son?
Yeah, now I'm on the phone. Baby, I don't feel like recording on this camera no more. No shade. This camera too much work to pull out.
Over and under.
Yeah, y'all gonna get the same footage 4K. Boo. Oh yeah, I didn't even give him a fit check.
Right.
Look at the fit check. Make your bitch wet.
Make her drunk. Pussy out. Oh, wow.
Now this is a
Now that.
This is touching the chest.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is a real dress.
That's a shoe. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
That is a pair of pants.
Oh my gosh.
That makes a statement.
Brittany.
Messy boots. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we have to start thinking about our costumes.
I'm thinking, I don't know.
I don't know
I
either.
didn't think you was gonna keep the camera on.
You want something film worthy?
Let's go. I'm gonna
Follow this mysterious man.
Oh, bitch.
So we've been walking day and night, but we think we finally reached our point.
I'm tired.
Bitch, we've been walking. Ooh, girl, I ain't even.
I miss our hotel.
We out here. We pooched up outside.
Joe and the juice again.
Hello.
That's just a sign.
Joe,
Joe trying to promote this
that
juice.
He want that juice to be
Man, Joe got a couple stores.
We got a couple juices.
Y'all, we have officially made it to Times Square. Oh no, we're good. Yeah, they trying to get us out here. Y'all see that? Broadway. What the heck? Oh, Caleb.
If I take your home to my
Granny.
yeah.
What up, my curry chicken and my rice and beans? Hey. He talk about rep your shit, yeah, gay. Yeah.
Bitch ass nigga. But we suck your ass.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches I don't get it, you're a star lover. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both.
Oh, baby.
We're here.
And we're clear.
Hello.
Yeah.
In the big app. In the big stairs. Big bitches. Here.
Okay. Yeah, I don't think nobody messing with us for real.
Okay.
Look at this. We gotta come in nighttime. We got to.
Bitch, we gotta sneak on the subway.
Yeah.
At night is different too.
I gotta see it at nighttime.
Okay, y'all. We then somehow made it to Grand Central Terminal.
Hey, pussy real grand around here. Yes. Oh my God, they got a Shake Shack here. What is this? Oh my gosh. Now we walking uphill. Right, like, oh. Like, look
I
at
just wanna go back home.
Where are you going?
Home.
Home. Oh, this leads to the subway too.
Y'all, we going to Subway 456.
7 South.
Period. Amen. It is. Too many bodies. And them legs. Close the legs.
Pussy hot, pussy.
Putty hot.
Pussy
Oh my gosh.
Elevator to subway.
On the dance. On the floor. And around. Bro, oh my, I'm trying to get footage. Bitch, I'm finna fall down the stairs.
Shit, we gotta purchase for you. Okay. Y'all, this man is dancing with a fake lady. That is son of Y'all, we didn't ran
Like, we walked. Oh shit! I did not know these were stairs. And there's a Palestine protest around here. Yes. What the heck? Bow. We love a woman for the people. Megan. Ah, ooh, ah. Meg, oh, back up a little bit, girl. Oh, oh my gosh. Y'all look creepy. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is cool. Oh, shit, what? We got Michael in the cut. Broadway Street. Mike. Uncle Mike. Oh, Mike.
I'm gonna ask you to sign my
Sign your flag. Oh my gosh. I don't know who this man is, but
He's gonna sign our flag.
oh, he's actually the Hammond.
Not even a flag.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna push you out the window. You did see a celebrity. You don't even know who it is.
No.
You're so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you, baby. So sweet.
Yeah, just walking for real. Oh my. There's
You gotta hold that phone up real quick because like.
oh my gosh.
It's cool.
Yay! Mr. Hamilton.